Hi, this is Ruse Solutions, and today we are going to be looking at the iOS accessibility tool, Magnifier. And this is a vision accessibility tool that essentially will turn your iPhone into a high-tech magnifying glass. I'll show you what I mean by that. We're going to go ahead and get started and go to Settings up here. We're going to scroll down to General, and we will go to Accessibility. And from here, we've got all our accessibility tools, but we are going to just look at Magnifier, which is third from the top. Here we go, and I've already got my magnifier on, but we'll flick that off real quick, and I'll show you what that is in a second, but I'll go ahead and read Apple's description. So it says, Magnifier lets you use your device's camera to quickly magnify your surroundings. When enabled, triple-click the home button to start Magnifier. And then below that, you've got your auto brightness toggle button, and this automatically adjusts the brightness and contrast based on the ambient light settings, but we're going to go ahead and leave that off so I can show you guys how to manually adjust the brightness and contrast in your magnifier tool. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll flick magnifier on, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and triple click the home button, and here are my accessibility shortcuts. It looks like I already have assistive touch activated as well, but we're going to just click magnifier for today. And from here, looks like I've already got a picture pulled up, but as you can see, it just pulls up my camera. I've got a Bible here just to test out the zoom settings on, and so you can zoom out and in as you please with this slider here. You've also got the options at the bottom left for your flash, and then you've got a lock setting, and but we're going to go ahead and freeze the frame of the camera by clicking this white circle here at the center at the bottom. So we'll click that, and there we go. We've got our picture locked in, and you can zoom in. You can also move around by just dragging the picture itself. And there we go. We'll just zoom back out. And now we will look at the color settings. If you click the bottom right, the three circle Venn diagram icon, that'll bring up your color settings. And so you've got your brightness up here at the top, this sliding scale right here. You can go to lowest brightness setting all the way up to highest brightness. Then you've got your contrasts, and here's what the lowest contrast looks like. Here's what the highest contrast looks like. Then with that, you've also got all of your color filters, and so here's a white-blue color filter, yellow-blue, grayscale, yellow-black, red-black, and then we're going to go ahead and go all the way back to none. And at the bottom left here, you can see we've got this little white square to black square cycle here, and so this icon at the bottom left, we're going to click that, and that will take us to our inverted options, and everything still works the same, but now in inverted filter. And so this also affects all your color filters. So your blue white is inverted, blue yellow inverted, inverted grayscale, inverted black yellow, inverted black red. And so there you go. That is pretty much a basic rundown of the magnifier tool. Just put everything back to normal settings. I'll unfreeze the picture and just click the home button to get back to where we were before. That's just the basics of the magnifier tool. This has been Ruse Solutions, and thank you for watching.